So Casekoo just released a brand new case, the cloudcush case for the iPhone 14 series, and I've got 3 of those right here. Now this case isn't like every other case out there. This case uses air cushion technology, which has a 360-degree air cush feature that keeps your phone safe and absorbs shocks from bumps and drops. It also offers a 3-meter military-grade drop resistance. Now, Casekoo does have an Ease with cloudcush giveaway going on right now where you can win a free iPad, and there's also a Casekoo brand day sale going on from August 7th to the 9th where you can get up to 40% off. I'll be putting links for all these cases, the giveaway, and the sales event in the video description so you can find out more. But let's check out these cases. So you get your cloudcush case and you also get some Casekoo stickers. And if we look at the inside of the case, as you can see, it's got this nice rubbery insert all the way around the case to help keep your phone protected. Put our phone inside. There it is on the phone. Feels really nice in the hand. The case kind of has like this air cushion that goes all the way around the case. It's not grippy and it's not slippery. Now the phone does have a silky smooth feel to it, and not only does it look good, but it also feels good in the hand. It also keeps your hands comfortable during those long phone use sessions. It also has some contrasting buttons on each side of the case, which is really nice. Buttons are also nice and clicky. They are very easily pressable and they're very easy to find. Very nice. You got your cutout for your mute button on the side. I love how they have the separated volume buttons. On the bottom, you have all your cutouts here. The case on the back is also nice and clear so you can show off the color of your phone. We also do have a raised edge around our cameras to protect those lenses. And I also have some camera protectors as well. And as you can see, the ring around the camera still comes up even above that. You really have to feel this case for yourself. It does feel like it does have a air cushion all the way around the phone. It is nice and squishy, so definitely keep your phone protected from drops and bumps. And if we look at the front here, as you can see, it still has a nice raised edge all the way around the phone to protect your screen. And I also have a tempered glass screen protector on the front of my phone, and you still have a nice raised edge. And you can still wirelessly charge right through the case without any issues. So this is the black and clear case. Again, I absolutely love these buttons. They are so easy to press. Nice and clicky. I love it. All right, so let's check out the other 2 cases. Then here we have that same case in like a cream color. You also don't have to worry about your phone coming out of this case because it's really in there. Very nice. Looks pretty cool. I love the way that this phone feels. Very nice in the hand. And then here we have that case in a neon green. This looks really cool and vibrant. You're going to have no problems finding your phone no matter where it is. Now it looks like this case would glow in the dark, but it doesn't actually. But it does look like it's glowing during the day. How cool is that? All right, so there it is on the phone. That looks so cool. It is so bright. It does look like it's lit up. That is so cool. So if you want to stand out and be different, this case is definitely going to do that for you. Looks really cool with the transparent back. This is my favorite color out of the 3. Very nice. Absolutely love that. So these are the cloudcush Casekoo cases. Again, I would definitely recommend you go check out their giveaway, and don't forget about that Casekoo brand day sale that's going on from August 7th through the 9th. And again, I will be putting links in the video description for all these cases, the giveaway, and the sales event. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, it would really help out the channel if you gave me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. So thank you everybody for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.